Whatever happened to January? January seems to have disappeared off the community's map. If you have a disability, especially an acquired brain injury, what do you do in January? Everything's closed down, agencies are closed down, everyone seems to be on holiday. Seems to have somehow disappeared. A few years ago, myself and some colleagues had an idea of starting a summer workshop for people who had acquired brain injury from a car accident. Set it up as an experiment, but it actually worked.
Hello, my name is Jacqueline. This group to me is a lot of positivity. However, when there's a problem, there's always a solution.
I'm Katie Foster. I'm part of SOS, Society of Spastics, or whatever.
So in the hot summer of 2011, we had 4 weeks of workshops. Well, 1 workshop a week for 4 weeks, 4 workshops. One was for songwriting and another 4 workshops for writing a small short film. This was very interesting because for the first time we had people with acquired brain injury and people with Asperger's joined into this group. So SOS East became SOS West and the Aspie Alliance was formed.
Why the hell do people do this? I mean, what are they trying to do? Are they trying to wind them or something? Because it's just, it doesn't work. If it's a greeting, they can just say hi.
I have learned how to not walk and not remember.
Yeah, sometimes because of AS I have late processing. I see something, but I don't figure out until much, much later what it actually is. I find it a lot easier to make friends with, I guess, similar people, you know, fellow eccentrics, I guess.
Now, with the symbols when you're rolling, use your 2 fingers, use your pointers, and bring it up like that.
The night is coming and the moon is stunning and the birds are sleeping and the trees are weeping and all the trains are running late tonight. I feel the strum of a guitar and the beat of a drum in my heart right now.
Yeah, that was great.
What type of animals do you like?
A lot. Dogs, cats, tigers, lions, bears. Let's see. Also like giraffes, they're one of my favorites. Eagles, yeah, they're cool. Then there's tigers, then there's wolves. I like them because they're going to a pack.
You like worms?
Worms. We feed them to fish when we go fishing.
What is Magic is actually what came after we did those films. The group presented the film and the album in the local city council to their peers.
Hey everyone, I hope you've all had a good day and I'd like to welcome you all to the SOS CD and DVD launch.
Am I invisible? Just not who you wanted to see. Am I a spectre? Just a shadow on the wall. On the wall, the wall.
What do we do next? For all of my years in Club Wild, I said, hey, let's perform at Club Wild.
Okay, I'm Jasmine.
I'm Ken.
Hi, I'm Romany.
I'm Katie.
Hi, man.
I'm Amanda. And now we're singing. And now we're singing, I think.
All I want is a love song where the trust has faded away. All I want is a hope song. Is there sunshine for a new day? Understanding our frustration indicates a realization. I need a love song.
Is it Club Wild, you said? I always thought it was wild. But anyway,
That might explain its name.
true. I didn't realize it was a club at all. Especially not realizing it was a nightclub.
It looked like an opera house.
No, it was fun singing on the roof though.